Now let us see their solution in liquid ammonia. Like alkali metals, they also loses electron in liquid ammonia and get they get solvated or ammoniated by the ammonia molecules, along with which what happens is the electrons lost also get ammoniated. So it's like this, these metal represented by M combines with ammonia. This metal loses 2 electrons and gets ammoniated by X number of ammonia molecules, and if the electrons emitted out by this metal ion, now it is metal ion, gets also ammoniated by Y number of ammonia molecules. So this is how what happens is the total number of ammonia consumed or involved are X plus Y. Now these ammoniated electrons imparts blue color. We know that as we increases the concentration of these metal ions or this metal, what happens is the color changes from blue to bronze. Now, so this is, and remember that these solutions are very strong reducing agents.